Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Moto new 5G smartphone is here, which is the name is the Moto G 5G Plus. Announced it as the maker most affordable 5G smartphone. Motorola just unveiled the most affordable 5G smartphone. Meet the new Moto G 5G Plus. The Moto G lineup has always been about bringing the most bang for your buck, and the G5G Plus will be among the most affordable 5G phone in Europe. Starting price is the €349. Up front we have 6.7-inch FHD plus display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a dual punch hole for the 16 megapixel primary and 8 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera. The panel is HDR10 compliant and boasts a 21:9 aspect ratio. The fingerprint scanner, which also serves as the power button, is located on the right hand side. The phone boasts a quad camera setup on its back, housed, as you can see in this picture, in a square setup, a first in the Moto lineup. The 48 megapixel main shooter is joined by 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper, 5 megapixel macro module and a 2 megapixel depth helper. Under the hardware hood, we find the Snapdragon 765 chipset paired with a 4 and 6 gigs RAMs and 64 and 128 gigabytes onboard storage, which is further expandable via the micro SD card slot. The battery is 5000 mAh and support 20-volt fast wireless charging. On the software side, we have the same clean build of Android 10 with some slight Moto enhancement, now call it My UX. Other notable features include a headphone jack, NFC and splash resistant design. The Moto G5G will be available in Europe starting tomorrow. The phone will be available in blue and purple color at €349 for 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. There is also 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage version, which will be cost €399. Motorola is also bringing the phone to Saudi Arabia and UAE in the coming months. While the 5G G5 Plus will skip the US, Motorola promises to bring sub $500 5G phone to North America in the fall. So this is the new Motorola 5G smartphone. Hope you like this smartphone. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. And also, this is not a most cheapest 5G smartphone, but little bit a mid-range smartphone. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Motorola smartphone or not? And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and do not forget to enable that bell icon notification, so when I upload any video, the notification will get you and you will notify about my new videos. So I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.